back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to another Happy Nail Art Series video. Today we're doing another sketch that I did on my iPad. As you guys can see here, this is kind of my sketch process for designs in general, and today we are doing the bottom one that I've circled. I have changed up the colors since that little kind of color planning session. But first off, I'm going to start with, of course, I have a base coat on, and then I'm going to put on my base color. And today we are actually working with lack of color, so I'm using kind of a perfector polish. This is by Orly, and it is from their French tip collection, their French manicure collection, and it is called Rose Colored Glasses. It's one of my new favorites to use for kind of like a negative space like look, because it perfects my nail, gives it a milky tone, and I really like that. So I did 2 coats of that, and then I moved on to the art aspect of this video, which is just basically 2 swipes of colors down my nail. One kind of towards the side, one a little bit shorter and towards the middle of my nail. And for those colors, I used Stella Chroma's Pueblo, which is the light shade, and then the turquoise is called Desert Turquoise. And then I'm going in kind of the empty corner of my nail, and I'm putting in the same kind of elongated dots that we used in yesterday's manicure, just to kind of give it an abstract like look and give it a little bit more pattern and just more of a design and fill in the kind of negative space. I did about 4 to 5 dots here. It kind of varies on your nail space and or how thick you are doing these little dots, elongated dots. And for this, I am using a Stella Chroma shade as well from the same collection as all the others, and it is called a Big Sky. It is not a cobalt, it's kind of like a navy. It's an interesting blue that I really do like, and it is a cream finish. But of course, you guys could totally use creams for all these or shimmers for all these. So many options. You could even use acrylic paint if you wanted to. But after that was completely dry, I put on a top coat, and here is the final look. It's a super easy manicure. Takes not much effort at all, and it's one of those easy ones that you could do on both hands, which is really nice because it is kind of the abstract, kind of just use the brush that the polish has in the bottle, and then you just make some dots. So that is officially it for today's quick little video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching it, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with another video featuring these 3 polishes. Bye!